Add real sound effects straight into your AI voice, completely free. Grab a siren from the library. First, the volume drop-down. I push it up to 150%, so the alarm cuts right through the voice instead of hiding under it. Then I trim the long clip down to a quick blast and drop it into the text. Hit Convert, and the alarm plays right inside the voice.
Attention! This is an emergency. Please leave the building now.
And it works for almost anything. Audiobooks with creaks and doors, phone menus with chimes, emergency alerts, ads with a cash register cha-ching, quiz sounds for e-learning, or calm meditations under ocean waves. No sign-up, no watermark. Try it free at speechgen.io.